Here are 3 of my budgies. Hercule is the green, Marple is the white, and Jeeves is the blue. And they're eating spray millet from my hand. I've had these budgies for about 6 weeks. And this past week I've finally been able to get them to come to on my hand to have treats. So this is progress. Their friends, Wooster, who is busy grooming, and Jean-Luc, who's playing with a toy, are ignoring the millet for the time being. They might decide later that they want some. But for now, it's just these 3. Hercule, Marple, and Jeeves. Well, I'm getting a few little nibbles from Jeeves. I think he's checking out my finger to see whether it tastes good, but so far the millet is winning. I guess it tastes better than my finger does. That's good. And you're busy singing, Wooster. You have lots to say to Wooster. Is that so? Why do you come down and have some millet?